Looking for the perfect campfire meal? These loaded potatoes are a game changer. Start with 6 medium-sized potatoes. Make sure they are washed and dried. Cut your bacon into 24 small pieces. Mix salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Toss the bacon in the spices until every piece is well coated. Cut each potato into 4 equal slices. Place a piece of bacon into every cut. Wrap them tightly in 2 layers of foil to prevent burning. Dig a small pit for your fire. This helps concentrate the heat. Let the wood burn down completely. We only need the hot coals. Flame will burn the food, but coals will cook it perfectly. Place the potatoes evenly in the embers and cover them with more hot coals. Let them cook for about 30 minutes. Pull them out of the coals. Top with some fresh chopped dill for that amazing aroma. Smoky, tender, and delicious. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe for more outdoor recipes.